Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back with a new video, and today I have another easy contour V-part wig. This is an ombre, chestnut brown ombre, but this is in the body wave texture. And if you are into the natural leave out looks, you definitely want to check that playlist out. But as you can see, this has the drawstring in the back. This is the upgraded easy contour, so it is going to contour to your head shape and fit perfect. Here I'm just adjusting that elastic band that comes inside, and that is also going to help with the fit. And once I do that, I lay the wig down. I am going to use the clips that come at the very top and clip it in place. And I do use the comb in the nape area to secure it. So you have quite a few reinforcements in this wig to ensure that it fits properly. So I did decide to go with the side part because I'm trying to refrain from excessive heat in the middle. So here I just pull that drawstring and I tuck it under, and that's it. It's hidden. What string? So here I'm going to comb these curls out. This does come pre-styled. For those of you that do not like to curl and you're not into all of that, look how good this looks once I just comb these curls out. You can definitely get away with this with a little bit of hairspray and a little bit of like some type of oil. You could definitely get away with that, but that's not what we're going to do. So here I'm just sectioning out my leave out. I'm just going to define that part, and I'm going to give a little TLC because my roots are kind of frizzy, so I'm using a flat iron, but I'm only going to press out the roots. See how I did that? Yes. Very demure how I just did the roots. And that is it as far as heat, because I'm really trying to refrain from excessive heat. So here I'm going to continue to comb everything out, and I will be cutting some light layers into this. If you want those big bouncy curls, the key is to cut layers. If you don't like to chop up your hair, you are not going to be able to achieve that look. It is what it is. So here I'm just going to cut. I'm going in, and I'm not taking off too much. It's very light layers. And once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to take my T3 curling iron, and I'm going to take these medium to small sections, and I'm curling everything going back. And I will be using my Sebastian Shaper Plus to spray this down once the curls cool down. And I'm going to repeat this step throughout the entire head. So this is like my go-to when it comes to this particular style of waves, body wave curls. Really easy. Any large curling iron you use, you can achieve this look. I'll have everything that I use linked down in the description box, including this wig. This wig is available on Amazon, and they have quite a few different colors. Along with this chestnut brown, they do have a natural black, and they also have different textures. As I've stated, I have done this same color in a yaki texture. So if you have more of a coarse texture hair, or you just prefer coarser extensions, definitely check that video out and check that wig out. Whatever it is that you need, trust me, they got it for you. So here, as you can see, I'm still cutting layers as I go further into the wig, because I want to ensure that I have that nice volume and body throughout the entire head. So once I'm done, I'm going to take my hairspray and I'm going to spray it down. I suggest waiting until the curls cool down, because then you know they are ready to be set. I'm going to spray that, and I'm going to let that sit until I finish the other side. Here I'm going to cut some more layers. They're going to be a little shorter because this is like a side swoop bang for me, and because I want that bang swoop look, I do have to cut it a little shorter. But as you can see, the curls that Unice put in this wig look really good. They did a good job. Whoever y'all got curling these wigs, yeah, clap it up for them, because they look good. They're not bad at all. So here, same thing, curling everything going back away from the face. And if I feel like I need to cut more layers into any sections of the hair, I'm going to do that before I curl it. So now that I'm all done with this side, I'm going to spray this down. A little TLC to my edges right there. I just put a little bit of edge control and did a little swoop. And here I'm going to finger comb the hair. Decided to curl that up one more time because I wasn't satisfied. And you know, I gotta make it right. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to finger comb the other side, and I love the way this came out. I think that this texture curled better than the Yaki. The Yaki requires a little bit more work and a little bit more product because it is a coarser texture hair, so it is heavier. So you're going to need something with stronger holds. But the Body Wave is more of a lightweight texture, and it is a softer texture, so I did get more of a curl when it came to this texture. But nonetheless, I love this look. I have to say I like the side part better than the middle part when it comes to this color. And here I'm just topping it off with a little Olaplex bonding oil just to add some moisture to my leave out. And as you can see, I can even put this behind my ear. And if you want to, you can throw this into a medium to low ponytail. So big shout out to Unice Hair on Amazon for sponsoring today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the Body Wave better or the Yaki? Because I don't know, they're neck and neck, but I got a better curl with this one. But I'm going to leave the playlist link down below so you can check it out for yourself. And I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.